Hi, my name is Erica. It's been a year and a half since I had my surgery. My life had been paused for 12 years because I had an overweight of 39 kilograms on top of me. Everyday life chore was difficult for me. Even walking down the street or going to the groceries was really difficult. Being able to do things with this overweight. But life gave me a gift and brought me here to the office of the doctor, Ramirez. And of course, when I got in here, I was really I wanted a solution for my problem, but I was very, very scared of the surgery itself, because I've heard so many stories about people dying or people not being able to eat after the surgery or having problems with the staples or situations like that. But since the first day I was able to speak to the doctor, my trust in life began again. And in less than a month, I was already prepared for my surgery. The doctor has a great staff, and I started working with a psychologist and also the nutritionist. And in less than a month, I already was able to drop 8 kilograms. And from those 8, 7 of them were only fat. So finally, I was able to conquer one thing. It was the first step to feel my confidence back, because I had been able to do a diet and drop the kilos. After the surgery, I got into surgery at 8 o'clock in the morning. 12 hours later, I was already walking. I was already, my body was functioning perfectly. I started, of course, when you come out of the surgery, most of your food is liquid. But the amazing thing is that you're not tired, you're feeling good. Right now, I've been able to do a lot of stuff. My life's being back in order. And even the people that have done this process with me, they have said that even my voice has changed. The way I move, the way I walk. It was funny, my aunt said the other day that since she saw me, she kept looking at me like, I cannot believe this is the same person I'm looking at. And she used to say, before when you used to come, I would be very nervous because you were like clumsy and throwing things around because of the weight. And now you're like very fragile, and again, you are in peace. Thanks to all this process, after the surgery, I learned how to eat again. My body is again, healthy. Yes, like any big surgery, after the surgery, you will expect some changes, like losing some of your hair, your skin gets a little bit dehydrated, your nails don't grow. But the same happened when I had my baby. So basically, it's just a process and making sure you follow the steps they're telling you. Because it's very easy for when you start losing the weight to say, oh, well, I'm losing the weight now, I want to eat this and I want to eat that. Or if the doctor's saying to me, you have to drink your milk powder with the protein, and you're like, I don't want to drink it anymore and stop eating it, that's when you're going to really start having all these malfunctions in your body. But if you really want a change, I would really recommend you to have a bypass gastric surgery, because my life has changed basically.